Welcome to Uploading to BrightMLS. This tutorial will walk you through the quick and easy process of uploading your media directly into BrightMLS. From your dashboard, scroll down until you find the property you'd like to work with. Click Edit Property on the dashboard to begin editing your property details. Click Site Media on the left-hand navigation. Click Download Page to access downloadable media content for your site. Click I accept to agree to our licensing terms and continue to your media files. Once there, scroll down until you see the Upload to BrightMLS button. Click Upload to BrightMLS now to quickly upload your media directly into BrightMLS. If you're not already logged into Bright, you'll be prompted to sign in first. Once logged in, simply select the correct listing and click Import Media. Your images, floor plans, and tour will automatically upload for you. Please note, for security reasons, we are unable to log into BrightMLS on your behalf. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of our helpful tutorials by visiting pictureperfectllc.com/how-to. We're always adding new videos to help make your experience with Picture Perfect even easier.